Just looking at some more of the storm damage from this angle, the front of the house here. Oh, let's see, we got attic vent, some shiplap siding. Luckily the window behind the screen is not broken, nothing got busted there. Just a lot of some fascia board issues. I swear part of the tree, one of its branches was sitting here, kind of broke that. And fortunately we got glare of sun here. I'm just trying to peel back the roof. It's still in pretty good shape. I mean, it's got another 15 or 20 years left on the shingles, but it's gonna try and tie in some new roofing and pull a couple of those squares off. But not too bad considering how big the trees were. Got to fix the island. I already repaired some of the fences. Got some more work to do down there, but other than that. Alright, we are going to do a little quick walkthrough of some damage our house sustained in a winter storm that we're just now getting the insurance money to fix. Happened back in February and it's now almost July. So, yay, insurance. Did a partial tear off so far and a little bit of extra at the top of the chimney broke off. I'll throw up some pictures, and it was laying right here on this, but luckily the rafters didn't break here and there's no actual damage to the plywood. But we got a little bit in here. It's cobwebs galore and insulation, but looking up here you can see where this big oak tree, there was one there and then one over behind my truck right where that tire is. Rear tire there had two big oak trees. They both fell this way, hit the house from supposed wind when it was 5 miles an hour, but we had snow and put them together and the insurance says what it is. So you see a couple broken rafters. Gable wall has a couple 2x4s. I gotta pop those out, put new ones in, and get some more sheeting down, and then get some roofing on here. Attic vent got hurt. Might be able to salvage it. Yeah, fun stuff. Yay!
a bucket, water drop. Now the whole thing's ticking off. Stone farm humming in the dark. Every little step's a mark. Sugar cane on the edge. Melon slices, fence by fence. I can hear the shovel bite. Turn nothing into life. Start with a spark, start with a seed. Give me a reason, I'll make it breathe. Skyblock, skyblock, I'll make it mine. Skyblock, skyblock, one block at a time. Skyblock, skyblock, watch me rise. From a tiny square to a world in the skies. Skyblock. If the void calls out my name, I just laugh and play the game. One wrong step, I know the cost. Still I build what's almost lost. I'll make it mine. Skyblock, skyblock, one block at a time. Skyblock, skyblock, watch me rise. From a tiny square to a world in the skies. Skyblock, skyblock, hear me now. I was born on air, and I'm standing proud. Skyblock, skyblock.
Write the lyrics for a high energy, feel good. Dice Ladies dance pop anthem that sounds like it belongs in a neon lit nightclub. Roller skating rink. Barbados teen movie montage. The song should be irresistibly caging, ucky and fun, with big sing-along choruses, memorable hooks, and a driving dance beat.